Haribo Fondue Crunch. Put the Haribo and cream into a saucepan. Heat for 12 minutes, stirring until you get a thick sauce. Dip biscuits and pieces of chocolate in it. Haribo 40G cream 50 ml, 3 butter biscuits, chocolate 20 gray. Hey, this chat is crazy. Hey, it works. Look at this. Just a reminder, there was cream here.
This will be one big gummy. It's already thickening.
Look what just happened. You can't find something like this in stores.
If ice cream is, for me, like a 7, then with this, it's a 9. This sauce is delicious.
There's no other sauce that hardens like this, honestly. Then you can tell when he likes it. Sorry, one more.
Nice moves, though. But no, that little bit at the back was good.